Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to get Meta AI on WhatsApp. So to do that, let me show you the fixes you can use. Key steps to Meta AI to get the access. And you have to check for the updates. Ensure you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed. So check if there is an update. To do that, head over to your Play Store. Go to the search icon and here search for WhatsApp. And here, once you're there, if there is an update available, you'll see an update button right here. And just update your WhatsApp to the latest version. And go to the chat where you want to use Meta AI. And the message field type at followed by the selecting Meta AI form, the suggestions, and type your question or prompt in the chat. And if you still can't access Meta AI, then check the regional availability because in some regions Meta AI is not still available. So, and the third one is restart your phone, and always restart your phone and just try using Meta AI. This can help remove temporary glitches, and then try clearing your WhatsApp cache. And to do that, just keep tapped on your WhatsApp application and go to the info icon on the top right, and from here you can just delete the cache files. And once it is done, if all the methods fail, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. And if all these options get failed to get your Meta AI, then reach out to WhatsApp support for further assistance. So yeah, in this way you can just get Meta AI on your WhatsApp application. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And we will see you in the next video.